Good morning. This is Danish Bargati from National Highway 6. These are the three cars we are taking. This is the Mark 3, Mark 1, and this is the third car, Fiat 1100D. This has become our annual event now. We are going to Jamshedpur. Yes, you have guessed it right. We are going to Jamshedpur for the Tata Vintage and Classic Car Rally 2024. These three cars belong to my friend Devopram Chatterjee. My Yezdi D250 Classic has also been registered there. I am participating with my bike, and today it will be loaded from Kolkata and it will reach to Jamshedpur maybe tomorrow in the morning. It's 20 past 10 and we have just crossed Kolaghat. We have reached this place, Ananya. We will have breakfast here. The cars are being parked. This is the same place where we had our breakfast last time when we were going to the Jamshedpur rally. This is the team. Arman bhai, his friend. Alam is driving Fiat. Meet Jayant. This is Saptarshi. Hello. Mark 1 is having the heating issue. That is the reason we are stopping here. These two cars are performing well. In fact, all the cars are performing well. It's just that the car is not running throughout the year. That is the reason few heating issues are coming. Otherwise, the cars are running good. A very good morning to you all. The motorcycles have come to Jamshedpur. We are approaching Gopal Maidan, where the scrutiny of the motorcycle will take place. So we have come to Gopal Maidan with the motorcycles. There are two motorcycles here. One is my Yezdi D250 Classic and the another motorcycle is a celebrity motorcycle which was used in the film Lutera. If you can see the number APF405. This was used by Ranveer Singh. This motorcycle belongs to a very senior restorer, Mr. Harjit Singh Dhanjal. अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने बांधा है दोनों ही मोटरसाइकिल को. भाई थैंक यू इतने अच्छे से लाने के लिए.